Finding the supplier source of winning products used to take hours. Now, it takes seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a tool that will make your dropshipping operation easier than ever, the Zik Analytics Item Finder. What is the Item Finder? The Item Finder is a powerful tool built right into Zik Analytics, and it's integrated across various tools like the Trending Products, Store Sales Tracker, Product Explorer, and basically anywhere in Zik where you can analyze products. The Item Finder is available. You'll recognize it as a small square icon on the right displaying a supplier's logo, depending on your settings. So what does it do? The Item Finder automatically finds the exact or closest matching product from suppliers like AliExpress, Alibaba, and more. It uses advanced image and text matching technology to help you instantly source products from the right suppliers. Okay, so now that we have a better understanding of the purpose of this tool, let me show you how to set the Item Finder for maximum results. To maximize the use of the Item Finder, I recommend quickly setting it to your preferences so that product matches prioritize the supplier you work with. Simply navigate to the Market Insights and adjust your seller settings. Choose your source website, whether it's AliExpress for worldwide dropshipping or Alibaba for private labeling and branding products. Once you've selected your preferred supplier, the Item Finder will prioritize showing results that are from the supplier you chose first. Now let's go with this product as an example to fully see the tool in action. Let's say I'm interested in this product and I want to source it. All I have to do is click on the Item Finder, and using image and text matching technology, the tool will instantly find the same or similar product from the supplier I previously selected, which in this case is AliExpress, along with the selling price of the item in the Shopify store, the price from the supplier, the Shopify fee, and the profit margin and return on investment. To clarify, profit margin measures how much profit you make from a sale after deducting costs relevant to the selling price. ROI, return on investment, calculates the profit earned related to the cost of acquiring the product, showing how efficiently your investment generates returns. From here, the process is simple. I can explore all the results I got. And since I'm working with AliExpress and Alibaba, I'll usually see multiple sourcing options for the same product. This is great because more options mean more opportunities to find the best deal. Since there are so many options, we need to focus on 3 key factors to find the best supplier. 1, seller rating. This helps us determine if the supplier is trustworthy. 2, product satisfaction from other buyers. A high rating means the product is good quality. 3, price that leaves the most profit margin, ensuring we maximize profitability. Once we've checked all 3 factors, we've found the best product and supplier to source from. For example, after reviewing a few product suggestions from the Item Finder, I decided to go with this one. Mainly because the product rating is high, which means it's good quality and perfect for an independent store. Second, the seller rating, which is located at the bottom of the page, is also strong, ensuring that if I ever need to handle returns or inquiries, it will be a smooth and hassle-free transaction. And lastly, the product price leaves me plenty of room for a great profit margin. Now, you might be wondering what happens if the Item Finder can't match the product from the supplier. Well, in that case, it likely means that the Shopify store you're pulling the product from is selling a unique private label item or using custom images instead of the standard supplier images. If that happens, don't worry. You have a few workarounds. The first one is to use Google Lens to search for the product online. It's simple. Just click on the image and select Search with Google Lens. You can also enter the supplier's name like AliExpress or Alibaba in the search bar within Google Lens to get results specifically from that supplier. The second option is to take the main keywords from the Shopify product title and manually search for it on AliExpress to find similar or identical products. Now, if you're using local suppliers like Amazon or Walmart, which I generally don't recommend for worldwide shipping, you also have the option to source from other local suppliers. Simply click on the icons below and Zik will generate the best matching product results from your selected supplier. Okay, so now it's your turn to go and test this tool out. Start finding profitable dropshipping items for your store in just a few clicks and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.